Hello everybody, welcome back to Jafnatic and another Let's Play video. I'm here with Astampro and William.
What's up?
So we're gonna play White Noise 2 today, and basically we're gonna be chased down by the monsters. Yeah, we're gonna play a random map and just see if we can survive through the whole day throughout, I guess.
It sounds good. I already got goosebumps. Okay.
I'm like the Russian guy.
4 players or something.
Yeah, okay, I see you, William. You guys are here. Okay, so it's already here! What the fuck? Why?
Come on!
I so quick!
How?
No, run!
This monster is hard already.
Dude, he spawned 3 meters away.
Yeah, it's never been so close before.
That's
Fuck, dude. Okay, I'm coming. I can still hear like weird noises and shit.
I like the skull on the top here.
This is like ritualic shit.
Yeah,
I can't.
It's like,
there we go.
it's like a garden or something.
We're Garden of Death.
Yeah.
Here everybody died.
Yeah, it stands instead of using plants, they're using skeleton.
Okay, I should probably explain how the game works. So basically, you need to find clues, as you can see in the top right corner, 8 of them.
Okay.
And you need to avoid the monster pretty much. And holy shit! Yeah, the monster can see you when you yell.
Yeah, I know. I should be quiet then.
So fuck. Okay, is he here? I don't think so.
No, he's not.
Does anybody
there.
use the compass?
I can use it. Okay, it's
Is this way?
It's this way. Yeah.
Oh, so we walked away from it. Shit.
Okay, my
Dude. My heart.
What is happening?
My heart is going crazy.
Yeah, my.
Hell.
What?
What, we got spooked from skulls or some shit?
This is a new monster with new abilities. Okay, don't go
Ah!
Oh!
Fucking run! Is it fast?
no.
Oh shit, dude. Bruh, damn. Oh, here we go. This is the clue.
there.
Nice.
Fuck. We need to like find Oh shit, we're fucked, dude. We're fucked.
Okay.
We're fucked.
No!
Where? Just fucking run.
I see it! Behind,
Oh
behind,
shit.
It's going... Alex, watch
Block
out.
monster.
What's
Fuck
up?
you.
Oh, there we go.
I'm not
Jesus.
going to be the victim today.
Okay, we need to try and work these. Oh, there we go.
The clue.
There's another
We need
one.
to find a clue.
Okay, shit. We need to find another one.
So,
Oh shit, dude. Where?
This monster is.
I didn't even see it. Help me! I'm gonna be trapped into a corner, dude.
What did happen?
Oh shit! Yeah, there you go. Is that the button you press?
yeah.
Oh shit!
It's
Okay, there's another one then.
Did you put some hard mode or something?
Oh, I can see it. I don't know.
Oh my
I
God.
don't know. Fucking run.
Let's run. Where is it? Why are we running from each other?
Because the monster is there. Run!
Ah! Fucking hell! Dude, where are you guys?
I don't know. Where
Dude,
are you?
It was my hand. Her hand was here, like right in front of my face.
Oh, jeez.
Where's that fucking button, dude?
Okay,
Should be
maybe I
another
should-
one around there.
Run.
Oh, please!
I don't even know where. Oh fuck! No, it's gone. It's gone.
Okay, it's gone. It's gone. Okay.
I'm trying so hard to find that
Yeah.
last button.
So, what's it called again? And where? Why?
Oh shit! No!
Alex!
No.
No.
Wait, we can't stun the creature? Oh shit! Nice.
Run.
We
can barely see.
haven't found a single clue. We're almost dead.
Is that a clue?
It's so bad. I'm trying to find the final button. It's nowhere to be found.
No, I can take it.
Oh shit!
No.
Oh shit! Already, dude. No!
Help
Get it! Dude, I think he's gonna die.
Please.
Yes.
Grab him!
Oh my god.
Dude, that was so close.
I couldn't have been close. Jesus.
Oh shit, you
Christ.
stole it. Okay.
I need some health pack.
Yeah, me
I
too.
have one, but I don't know how to drop it. I don't know if I can. Oh, dude, where is it? Do we have to leave
Watch
it?
out!
What the? Woohoo! Where?
Back again. No.
Oh
Okay.
shit! Oh 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 shit!
No, we are done.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Was it close, dude?
What?
How didn't you die?
Dude, how does it keep finding us? Dude, she's here. She's here. Fuck.
Again? How?
I don't know, but I'm gonna save you, dude.
I'm gonna die.
I'm going crazy. I'm
I
sorry.
No.
Dead.
Fuck.
Alex.
Dude, we were
Rest
one
in peace.
clue. This fucking button is the death of us, dude.
I did.
Seriously, where is it? It's not here. I swear, dude. This is a glitched game.
Yeah.
Like, dude. Oh fuck.
Oh way.
Jesus.
How?
What the? Is that a flashbang?
Yeah.
Oh shit. You should have saved that, dude.
I thought you were gonna take. I thought you were. Like,
Help! Yeah, help! I mean.
yeah.
I don't know. Have you?
Dude!
Have you?
Where am I? Run,
Have you
run,
seen
run.
this Paro thing?
What?
And there is here
Yeah!
in this area.
Okay, there we go, there we go. William, where are you,
First
man?
clue, finally.
Where are you, dude?
Oh!
Huh?
Jesus!
Yell, 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 yell. Oh, there. Jeez, you're right there. What the fuck? Refill, what the hell?
Behind.
Oh shit. Pick up the flashlight.
William.
Oh, hello. Just walked past the tent I was in. Well, he was chasing you. Oh shit, what the hell?
Did
Dude,
you hear that?
That thing has light resistance though, like I'm to be
Yeah.
fair. Do you have the compass thing?
No way.
What?
It's
Wait.
literally spawning behind us or something.
Oh shit, yeah I did. I did. Get it. It's there still. It's there still.
But that's what.
Oh shit. Dude, okay, we're good. We're good. We're good.
I know where the other clue is.
Monsters think though, goddamn. Dude, do you still don't know? I'm just
It's
following.
somewhere in this direction.
Yeah, cause I'm following you.
Fuck's sake.
What?
Why did?
Where did it come from, man? This map is impossible to fucking solve.
Yeah.
This is the worst map we could have got.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're running past that thing or
Right.
no?
We're running by that.
Yeah, I'm just so
Just
past.
looking
I
down.
just.
Holy shit.
But they're still using those old sounds. Doo, 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 doo.
Do you get these lag spikes, dude?
There is big rain.
Fuck,
What is
just get out of here.
happening?
Ah! Help me, dude. Help me. Fucking,
there
fucking.
Where are
area-
you?
I'm fucked!
Uh,
Oh, I'm good. Oh shit, over there, dude?
yeah.
We just have to follow suit.
No way.
Just, well, wait for me a little bit.
I can
Just,
take
I
it.
can't when the monster's here!
Oh fuck.
Help! It's gonna take
Oh, yeah,
me!
there.
Fuck's sake!
Dude, no, I'm here! What the hell? Oh my god, I'm alone?
Yeah, but I know the. Why?
Fuck, dude.
You're having fun, really close. There it is.
Wait. Yeah. I'm gonna pick it up when it's close enough. Oh, no, fuck it. Oh, yeah, I could have just waited. I'm an idiot. Just throw a glow stick. Oh shit!
Where is it? Behind you.
It's right behind me, dude. You're in it! No, I'm stuck! Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I can't see anything, dude. I swear, like, this is the fastest demon in the West, bro.
Yeah. Gee.
Okay. Oh, we gotta go that way, dude. I've found 2 clues. That is it. That is it.
That we got this way.
I don't have any battery, by the way. Like, I'm all out.
There is no battery in this game. In this
Where
area.
is it?
There is nothing.
How come I find, like...
You don't got anything.
Fuck.
They don't have any. They don't have any health pack. Okay,
Oh, it's here. This AI is predictable.
Just destroy. Okay.
I don't know where it is though. I just know it's close by. Probably right by me. Ah! Fucking run. Oh my god. Well, how is this so close? Ah, shit! Dude!
Oh, no.
Oh, it's gone. It was right in my face.
I would.
I almost swallowed my tongue. Hang on.
Ow.
Jesus, bro.
Ow.
I hate this part of the map, dude. I have to solve this thing again.
Oh, I somewhere.
Jude! Fuck it. Okay, dude, I'm running.
Okay,
I'm running.
I'm right behind you.
Yeah, it's still there. Ah! Fuck off! Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
I'm dead.
Oh, look at it. What is that? Demon with It's Mumi.